चलते हम लोग नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे, दैट इज आवर solar system. Let us understand the concept of solar system. So it was the time when our scholar, our researchers attempted to articulate, attempted to conceptualize the idea of solar system. So during ancient, it was Ptolemy, Claudius Ptolemy. This person was the Greek scholar, and he attempted to sort out the arrangement of our solar system. So what he found, what he say, actually this was the hypothesis of Claudius Ptolemy, कि Earth lies to center of universe this way, and all object, be it our planet, be it our satellite, even our sun, are revolving around our Earth. So this understanding at that point of time were praised by several scholars, were praised by several rulers. Even he was declared as one of the brilliant person at that point of time. During Aristotle, during Plato era, he was. So Greek scholar, Roman Empire, and Claudius Ptolemy propounded the idea of geocentric concept. Over the time, what happens? So geocentric concept were challenged. Ptolemy was challenged by whom? So this was Copernicus. Copernicus, with modern instrument like telescope, identified that the Earth do not lies at center of solar system or universe. Rather, Sun is located on the center of Earth, and all object is surrounding around the Earth. What happened? So he was criticized by many scholars. You are telling lie, you are manipulating the data given by the great scholar Ptolemy. So this was the development of the theory regarding the universe. We shall keep in mind heliocentric concept given by whom? Copernicus. During 16th century it was, and he was the resident of Poland. Again, what happens? So over the time, more discovery, more research happened, and clear picture, some sort of clear picture. Reason being, we are able to identify or detect only ordinary matter. So our ordinary matter and all such things say that our solar system is part of this limitless, endless universe, and this is all around the sun. Sun is the master of solar system with several planets. There are total 8 planets. 4 are solid planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The surface of these planets over the time cooled enough, and now they become solid like Earth. So these are called terrestrial planet as well. Terrestrial planet. 4 planets are terrestrial. We will memorize this. What after? So thereafter, the asteroid belt found. What is asteroid belt? So that is the zone of, again, debris, material, rock, fragmented rock that left remain from the planets found here in between Mars and Jupiter, called asteroid belt. So that is kind of rock revolving around the sun found between Jupiter and Mars. After this, 4 more planets found, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are still in gaseous state. It means that if we suppose put our legs, this will go down and down. तो ये पूरा नीचे चला जाएगा. That is the feature of these planets. Again, interestingly, what happened? So it was the year 2006. What happens? So a new category of celestial body identified. The scholar said that कि there will be a new definition of planet, and they identified that some planets are not, some objects are not fulfilling the definition of planet. So that must be categorized under a fresh list that will be dwarf planet. So in our solar system, what exists? So that is sun, star, 8 planets and dwarf planet. So dwarf planet is kind of object revolving around the sun with some sort of different characteristics. We shall discuss that. After this, what? After our this arrangement of planet, what found? So again, Kuiper belt found. What is Kuiper belt? So Kuiper belt is area of frozen gases and debris. Here, rock found at very low temperature, and all rock have been enveloped with the layer of the ice, that is the Kuiper belt. Interestingly, Kuiper belt forms the outermost limit of our solar system. After Kuiper belt, what lies? After Kuiper belt, what happens? So our heliosphere, what is heliosphere? The sphere of sun, area of sun, believed to be terminates. So after this Kuiper belt, what found? So interstellar space, means a space between two stars exists after Kuiper belt. Again, that place is acquired by a cloud-like object exists here. So this area is occupied by, again, a very interesting word here, Oort cloud, that resembles cloud, but these are not cloud, rather accumulations of dust particle gases are found there. So this area is of Oort cloud. And what is Oort cloud? That is interstellar cloud. अब आते हैं now Oort cloud and Kuiper belt is known for frozen object, and this frozen object produces one more object that is called comet. That is the home of comet. Comet are again kind of rocky, solid object enveloped with the frozen ice. मतलब फिर से एक पेपर ले लेते हैं कि सपोज दिस इज आवर रॉक. तो दिस रॉक ड्यू टू वेरी लो टेम्परेचर enveloped with a frozen gases. So that is the structure of kind of comet. Comet as placed far beyond the sun do not receives the appropriate amount of sunlight. So whatever gases are there, they converted into ice. So this is the structure of comet. When comet comes closer to sun, what happens? This gaseous envelope starts burning, and this exposed. So this burning of the gaseous envelope produces tail-like structure. That is why it is called tail-like comet. Comet with tail. So these are some interesting things. आते हैं इसको थोड़ा let us discuss more about solar system with blank map. Okay, blank map will be the easy way to memorize this fact. इसको ड्रॉ कर लेना है, कहीं स्पेस छोड़ दो देयर आफ्टर सोलार सिस्टम. वी शैल कीप दिस पॉइंट फॉर फर्दर रेफरेंस. रीजन बीइंग कि आई विल हाईलाइट द की पॉइंट्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू सोलार सिस्टम हियर. Thereafter, we will discuss more about that. So that is our sun. Sun is the only star found in our solar system. The only star, master of solar system, is our sun. And interestingly, if we consider the mass of solar system 100 kg, अगर 100 kg mass है, 99.9% mass of solar system found here with sun. So that is the reason why solar system is here. Again, due to immense gravitational force, sun is able to hold such planet around them. The very closest planet is our Mercury. Thereafter, Venus. Thereafter, Earth. Thereafter, Mars. So these are the interior planet as well as called terrestrial planet. Interior planet or terrestrial planet. Terrestrial planet. Question is that कि why called terrestrial planet? तो reason being they are similar to Earth. They are similar to Earth means solid. They reached at solid state. Solid state like Earth. Like Earth. As far as interior is concerned, so they lie under this asteroid belt. So that is why under asteroid belt, that is why called interior planet. Now, next group of planet is our Jupiter. Next one, Saturn. Next one, Uranus. Next one, Neptune. These are gaseous planet and all together called Jovian planet. Jovian planet. And Jovian means like Jupiter. Like Jupiter. They are gaseous. Gaseous planet. Again, after this what lies? क्यूपर बेल्ट. हाँ, इसको थोड़ा बना के चल रहा है. क्यूपर बेल्ट, ये डायग्राम बनाना है. इस पे बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं. तो वी शैल कवर द इंट्रिकेसी ऑफ सोलार सिस्टम. सम सॉर्ट ऑफ आइडिया वी शैल collect with this diagram. Thereafter, more point will be there. Kuiper belt. And after Kuiper belt, what exists? So that is Oort cloud. And again, this will be part of interstellar space. Interstellar space means heliosphere. Here, the heliosphere means a sphere of sun. Outer boundary of our solar system is formed by what? Kuiper belt. After Kuiper belt, interstellar space found, that is an area between two or more star. Interstellar means two or more star. That is called heliosphere. Heliosphere. Now, again, after this, we shall keep in mind some other object found here. These are dwarf planet. Very first dwarf planet is our Pluto. First Pluto, second one Makmak. Next one Eris. Next one Haumea. And last one, Sirius. Sirius lie here. Sirius lie here. Sirius. ठीक है? Sirius lie here. So this way, there are 5 dwarf planets have been identified so far, discovered after 2006. So that is the things we shall keep in mind. अब आगे चले. Now, let us move further. Now, next thing we shall keep in mind कि all planet, one more thing, one more object we shall collect here, that is comets. And this is built of asteroid. Asteroid belt lies where? Between Jupiter and Mars. And last one, comet. So for comet, we shall draw this type of structure, comet. So this is the overall structure of our solar system. Now we shall discuss one by one the things properly. Let us discuss more about these objects. Let us discuss more about these objects. First, basic is that all planet, even our asteroid, comet, revolve around the sun. Revolving around the sun. As far as planet is concerned, to look, in terms of size, as far as size is concerned, so which one is largest planet? Jupiter. Just right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The largest planet in solar system, Jupiter. Thereafter it comes Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. A reason being they are gaseous. So expanded enough, not very well confined. So their size appears massive. So that is why they are the larger planet, reason being gaseous. This is the order of their size, 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this? So Earth. Earth is the 5th largest planet. Earth is the 5th largest planet. A, B, C, D, E. Can we say alphabetically E place at 5th? A, B, C, D, E. So E place on 5th place. So Earth is the 5th largest planet. Correlate fact in geography. Fact is quite massive or quite a greater. So again, sister of Earth, Venus. So sister, why called? Reason being the shape, size is quite almost equal to Earth. That is why. Mars. Mars is smaller than the Venus. So 7th and smallest planet is our Mercury. After this new category of object, that is dwarf planet. So this way you may recall the planet in terms of their size. याद हो जाएगा? Simple है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If suppose you forget, draw this diagram on your question paper. Blank area available with question paper, just draw and forget about memorizing the facts this way. Now, interestingly, we have missed one more object in our solar system. Can you identify the object we missed out here? Satellite. A story of satellite we have not discussed. So satellite are the celestial object revolving around the planets. Revolving around planet. So satellites, arrangement of satellite as far as concerned, so very first satellite in our solar system from sun, it comes our moon. We shall discuss moon properly. Reason being recently moon was in news. Moon was in news. A reason being it was the year 1946. In 1946, a scholar Reginald Daly. Who it was? Reginald Daly. So Reginald Daly once said that our moon is outcome of a collision. That is giant impact theory. So giant impact theory we shall discuss with respect to moon later when Earth collided with another planet. The northern part of Earth destructed completely. And this material later converted into moon. So we will discuss that story properly. So moon is our satellite. Moon. After Earth, Mars have 2 satellites. First is Deimos and second one is Phobos. Deimos and Phobos. D and F we shall discuss all together later. We shall collect only 5 or 6 satellites. D for Deimos. And as far as D is concerned, so we shall keep in mind Deimos is the smallest planet of our solar system. Natural satellite mein we shall keep in mind this is the smallest satellite of our solar system. Smallest. Now after Jupiter. So Jupiter have 79 satellites. Means second largest number of satellite is being obeyed by the Jupiter. So we are not able to memorize 79. Is it possible to memorize 79? So that will be quite a difficult task for us. We shall keep in mind G. G for Ganymede. We write about that. Just note keyword. G for Ganymede and G for greater. So G for greater, G for Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest natural satellite in our solar system. Okay? Ganymede is the largest satellite of solar system. As far as other satellite is concerned, so here Europa, Callisto, all are there. But G for greatest or greatest लिख लो. Greatest. So you will keep in mind this fact for longer period of time. As far as Saturn, so again Saturn is the planet known for maximum number of satellite, that is 82 at present. The fact is that discovery of new satellite is going on. So sometime what happens, new satellites of Jupiter identify, sometime new satellite of Saturn. तो planet with Titan यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, T for Titan. Rest of the planet we shall cover with planet that is not part of here diagram. Again, one more thing I would like to share. All such this Jovian planet known for formation of the ring around the planet. Known for formation of ring. All planet known for a ring. So, ring of Saturn is quite visible to us. A reason being that this is quite extensive and wide. So, this disc shaped ring is visible with Saturn. But other planets have very thin ring around us. So that this is not very visible to even humans or visible to astronomer. So rings found here. Question is that why ring and what is ring? Why rings are there and what is ring? So suppose this is a gaseous object. Gaseous object, this way all are revolving. If we consider the movement of this object, so where we may found maximum velocity, at which place maximum velocity will be recorded? At equator. So here at equator, there may be some centrifugal force this way that may throw out the gases in space. So that is going on with Jupiter, Saturn and all. Rotating planet throw their gaseous material in space for farthest distance. But what happens there? The gas suddenly freezes. Reason being, no such apparent sunlight is reaching there. So the frozen gas over the time turns into disk. So that is the reason why disk found there. Disk is nothing but the frozen gas is outcome of rotation of that planet. Clear hai? Chalo. What about why not terrestrial planet have disk? So reason being they are solid and apparent sunlight is there. So sunlight is there so that they are not freezing. So that is. Now one by one we shall discuss all such object that will be the part of discussion. Okay? Oh, we shall discuss now start with sun. With sun we shall start discussion. अब चलते हैं हम लोग, लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड आवर पीपीटी. आते हैं सन की तरफ कि व्हाट इज सन. तो वी नो, वी रेड सन इज द स्टार, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए स्टार. एंड व्हाई दिस इज a star? तो इट लिट्स विथ देयर ओन लाइट. व्हाई सन इज लिटिंग? तो देयर रीजन इज न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन. Due to nuclear fusion, what is going on? So at core of a sun, at the core of sun, कहाँ पे है वो लिख. हाँ, okay. हाँ, at the core of sun, what is going on? So here, temperature found 15 million degrees Celsius. What temperature found at the core of sun? 15 million degree. In our numeracy, it will be 1.5 crore degrees Celsius. Just imagine the temperature. At this moment, we are experiencing around 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, and this is 1.5 crore degrees Celsius. So, at that point of temperature, what happens? The two atoms of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, joins each other and they combines with them. अच्छा, is it possible? ये हो सकता है क्या कि suppose we hits up two object, like suppose this is the जो भी है इसका pen or this pen. If we hits up at high temperature, what would be outcome? This get melted. After melting, we can mix the material of both object. So that is going on there. At very high temperature, atoms breaks down, they interacts with each other and forms new material, that is helium. So where nuclear fusion is taking place? At the center of our sun. Again, after what happens to this immense light, this produces immense energy and light, and that forms a radiative zone. A radiative zone lies just after this core of sun. After convective zone, that is not part of our examination, at last it comes outer surface of sun. Outer surface of sun that is visible to us is called photosphere. Called photosphere. We are actually witnessing, we are seeing this photosphere. Interestingly, the temperature of photosphere is quite low, quite lesser than the temperature of core, but still it is very hot, that is 6000 degree Celsius. 6000 degrees Celsius is the temperature of the photosphere. Now, we will discuss more about this. Now come to other point, the basic things about the sun. As far as mass of sun is concerned, so that falls under the category of average star. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar proposed the Chandra limit, and he identified the different star on the basis of mass of sun. So he calculated that mass of sun is not immense, not very vast mass with sun. So this is a average category star that is called G-type main sequence star, G2V type of star. The technical term here, G2V. Again, at terminal state, means at the point of termination, the material, means hydrogen, will exhausted and sun will be converted into what? Dwarf planet. This will not convert into pulsar, not convert into black hole. Rather, when hydrogen will exhausted, this will convert into white dwarf star. White dwarf star. We have read this concept during last classes. Chandra limit 1.44. White dwarf star. Again, as far as the birth of sun is concerned, so sun is not very old star. Rather, it is a young star. This came into existence during 4.6 billion years ago. Means that is average star with a very young state. Again, as far as constituent is concerned, to consist of hydrogen mainly, 73% hydrogen. The sun made up of 73% part with hydrogen. Rest of the amount converted into helium. So sun will lit until unless this hydrogen remain. After this exhaust, what happens to sun will dim, and this dim star will convert into white dwarf. Up now, we shall calculate the size of sun and the mass of sun. So here, about if we consider Earth, so 3,30,000 times greater than Earth sun is. 3 lakh 30,000 means that is far greater than our imagination. How much large sun would be? You can imagine कि Earth supports 9 billion people. Sun may support how many billion of people? So million, billion, trillion it may support if it would be livable. Now next point. Again, if we compare the radius of sun with the radius of Earth. So how much radius is there? So sun radius is 109 times greater. Must keep in mind that fact. Both fact 330 again with 30 is the overall size 109 times greater radius of sun to the radius of Earth. So both fact have been asked, mathematical data usually avoided, but these are the basic fact. Now come to next point. What about the movement of sun? Sun is stationary or rotating, revolving. So like Earth, two type of movement we can find out with our sun. Sun is rotating on its axis as well as sun is revolving around our Milky Way galaxy. So this revolution of sun is going on, a rotation of sun is also going on. As far as revolution is concerned, so revolution is called galactic period. Revolution is called galactic period. Must keep in mind, galactic period is the time taken by sun to complete one revolution around our Milky Way galaxy. Need not to keep in mind this data 2.5 into up to 2.25 up to 25 is to 10 to the power 8 year. Means it takes many years to complete one revolution around our Milky Way galaxy. ये वाला. Again, velocity. It is interesting how fast our sun is. So sun travels at the speed 251 kilometer per second. Imagine the velocity. कितना तेज होगा? So that is the velocity. Now, very interesting. So we know that sun placed about 27,000 light year from the Milky Way, center of Milky Way. What about sun and earth distance? So there is, we shall discuss later, that there is a elliptical orbital path of earth. Means earth sometime comes closer to sun, sometime it reaches at farthest distance. Meanwhile, the mean average distance is called AU, astronomical unit, and that is about 1.49 million kilometer. 1.49 million kilometer. The average distance is called AU. Between 149, not 149, 149 million kilometer. In other words, this can be said 1.49 10 to the power 8. Both are the same thing. Just keep in mind 149 million kilometer. That is the mean distance between earth and sun. Reaching to earth, the light takes about 8 minutes and 19 seconds. So sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach finally at surface of earth. So these are basic point that you should know about sun. Okay? What type of sun is? So average star sun is. What is the size of sun? So that is far greater than the size of sun. 330,000 greater than earth. That is sun mass. As compared to radius 109 times greater than the earth. Again next, at terminal stage, this will convert into white dwarf star. The core will remain for a short span of time. Thereafter again it dim. Next thing, galactic period, time taken by sun revolving around the Milky Way galaxy. So these are the points we shall keep in mind.